We're 18 forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Weather from where you live.
Well, meteorological winter runs the first day of December to the last day of February, so we can now say we're in meteorological spring, even though astronomical spring does not start until later this month. But the temperature was below normal as expected, 1.2 degrees below normal, almost a foot above normal in the snowfall department, and overall precip was above normal. In fact, if you look at snowfall over the past 30 years, this was the snowiest since 07 and 08, as well as 1983 and 84. And of course, 07, 08, that's when we had the big February blizzard around here. The highest temperature was 54. That's the coldest maximum temperature in a winter over the past 30 years since 81 and 82. In fact, the blizzard of 78 that year, the highest temperature all winter was 54 as well. And we had snow cover in some way, shape, or form on the ground from December 19th through February 28th, all those days except 4. So again, that just goes to show you how snowy and cold this winter has been. Notice on precision, though, we're going to look at the clouds. Notice we are getting a few breaks in this low cloud deck here in our northeast counties. There could be a hole or two that we poke into this cloud deck overnight tonight and into tomorrow. But overall, I think mostly cloudy skies will be the story right up to Wednesday, with high pressure overhead with its lid, and that's trapping a lot of this moisture near the surface. Now let's go back to 3D and take a look at Futurecast here over the next few hours. Notice the clouds hanging on through the overnight hours, perhaps a few holes here and there. Nothing more than a little sprinkle or a flake or two of snow. That is it. And then even into the day tomorrow, Futurecast wants to clear the skies out. I don't think that's going to happen, but I do think there could be some holes in the clouds at times. And finally, still clouds trying to hang on through Wednesday, but I think by Wednesday night we will get rid of all the clouds and we'll actually see some really nice sunshine as we get into Thursday. But even though we're going to have clouds the next few days, at least the temperature will be relatively mild. We were at 40 today, we'll be around 40, 41 tomorrow, 42 on Wednesday, 45 Thursday. Thursday looking really nice. A lot of sunshine on Friday with 48, turning even warmer over the weekend. 51 on Saturday with sunshine, and even though the clouds will increase on Sunday, temperatures still in the 50s, and by Monday we're in the mid-50s before our next chance of rain. Even a few thunderstorms by early and middle next week, highs well up into the 50s. I think we'll stay out of this really warm air, but check that out. Warmest weather since last November. Mostly cloudy, cool tonight, 28 for the low, 41 tomorrow, still mostly cloudy, but still that's closer to the average high for this time of year. And finally, there's the nice warm-up. We're in the 50s next week, but the thing is, by next Tuesday, even though we'll be well up into the 50s, a good bet for rain and possibly, Jeff, a couple of thunderstorms. No severe weather expected, but it's a sign that this whole weather pattern is changing right on schedule.
For the better.
Yes.
For sure. It'll be nice to have